In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, Marvel Rivals. First thing you're going to do is go here and type in Windows, Update, and check if there's any updates. If there is, simply go through the update and update your system. And then after you do this, you want to type in here NVIDIA, and inside here you want to check if there's any updates for the drivers. If there is, like here, click download and make sure you are up to date for this system. Then after that you want to go and open Steam. So here, open up Steam. So after you launch your Steam, what you're gonna do is go to the Marvel Rivals game, click here and properties, and make sure you type in -DX11 and check, write this down before launching your game. So let's say you have like a Epic Games account, you're gonna do the same. So in Epic Games, you'll see something like options or manage. So here, for example, let's say this is Marvel Rivals, you would see 3 dots, you would click manage, and here you would, in the launch options, you would write the same thing, -DX11. So don't write this one, this is for GTA 5, so you're gonna write -DX11, the same thing. And then lastly, just try restarting your computer and hopefully this should fix your issue.